The details of the financial contribution of Bank of Saint Lucia were announced by the OECS Director General, Dr. Didicus Jews.
The OECS Commission applauds the contribution of US $40,000 from the Bank of Saint Lucia towards the purchase of ventilators.
The Director General issued calls recently for private sector support in the fight against COVID-19, and Bank of Saint Lucia, through its acting managing director, Mr. Medford Francis, responded positively.
As a good corporate citizen, we felt it was our obligation to make this commitment to the humanitarian effort that is needed at this time.
Mr. Francis says the bank does not only have an obligation to respond to any crisis impacting its clients, but it also has a responsibility to the people of the OECS.
We have to do more to protect our people, and hence our support to the acquisition of ventilators for the public health system. It is because we really want to ensure that once we have overcome this virus, our workforce is intact and is physically, mentally, and emotionally able to undertake the tremendous economic recovery effort that would be required.
The OECS Commission has decades of experience in procuring pharmaceutical supplies for member states. This advantage is now helping to fast-track the sourcing of vitally needed medical equipment.
We are now in a race against time and global demand to ensure that vital equipment such as testing equipment and reagents, ventilators, and personal protective equipment for medical as well as police frontliners are brought in as quickly as we can.
The US $40,000 donated by Bank of Saint Lucia will go towards the purchase of ventilators critically needed in mitigating the impact of the coronavirus in the OECS.